Hello and welcome back to Baby We Eat. Today we are making a pot roast. For our ingredients, we have carrots, celery, potatoes, cornstarch, beef bouillon, we have garlic powder, complete seasoning, steak seasoning, and flour. And of course, we have our beef pot roast. Okay, so we're gonna start adding in our seasonings. We're gonna start with our beef seasoning, our brown sugar, garlic powder. This is complete seasoning and steak seasoning. We're gonna mix all that up to make one seasoning so that we could cover our pot roast with this seasoning. Okay, so this is my pot roast. And now I'm gonna season this up well. I'm gonna pat it in all together. So we season the sides. You wanna get all sides of your beef. You wanna get every little crevice, and we're gonna season it up real well. Now here we're gonna put the flour on top of it, and we're just gonna make sure that the flour gets all over the meat real good. My cast iron pan, we're gonna add some oil, and then I'm gonna wait till my oil starts sizzling. And we're just gonna drop our beef in, and we're gonna fry it on all sides. Top, you wanna get it a nice pretty brown. Now that I have cooked all sides of my beef, I'm going to add it to my crock pot. Here I added a little beef broth. I'm adding some soy sauce, some Worcestershire sauce, and then we're going to add our beef to this broth. And now we're going to add our cut up vegetables, which is our potatoes, we're going to add our carrots and our celery. And our red onions. We add our red onions, and we just gonna put that in real pretty and make it real colorful. And then I added some fresh thyme. Cook it on high for anywhere from 4 to 6 hours, depending on the size of your pot roast. So here we come back, and our pot roast is done. So we're gonna take it out of the crock pot. We're gonna take all our vegetables out. Look at that, that's real pretty, falling apart. So here, I'm gonna take out the vegetables, and then once I take out all the vegetables, we are going to switch over to a different pan, and we're gonna thicken up our sauce so that we could drizzle it on top of our pot roast. So we added all the sauce from the pot roast that was in the crock pot. And I'm gonna just add a little bit of cornstarch and water to thicken things up. So our sauce is thickened up. We added some beef and some vegetables to a bowl, and we're gonna just pour that tasty sauce on the top. Look at that. That is yummy. So we have made a pot roast today. I want to thank you for watching Baby We Eat. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.